Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic FreeCAD 1.1 how to fillet. So as example, you can create a parametric body and use CAD. I will choose the top plane, draw rectangle, and if you want to fillet at this corner, you can use the fillet tools. Click this icon, fillet, click on the two lines to fillet. I will click again at this point. And the next, to set the dimension, you can use the dimension tools. Click on the arch, and then you can set for radius like into 10. Press enter to apply. You also can create the dimension from point to point, or you can only select on the line. Click close and use pad tools to convert into 3D. Now it will be different if you click at this edge and then use the fillet tools. It will be automatically fillet in another side in here because we fillet at this corner. Okay, you can click fillet, so it will be fillet in this all loops edge, and different if you click on this edge and then use the fillet tools, it will be only fillet on the single line. Okay, that's it for basic FreeCAD 1.1 how to fillet.